Why do we get hiccups? Strange body secret. What really causes hiccups? And why won't they stop? Hiccups are a strange body reflex. But the reason may surprise you. Sometimes you suddenly go, hic. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly moves. This muscle helps you breathe normally when it moves too fast. It creates a hic sound. It can happen if you eat too fast or drink something very cold. Most hiccups stop on their own. Now you know the hiccup secret. Subscribe for more fun facts.